Paula can make it because she's recently operated on her knee. So let's see what we can do or what she can do because I'm okay. Is that right, huh?
Yeah.
Sugar cane use. I'm right now right here.
Cachoeira de Aguas Cristalinas.
I love that there's
Opa! Bom dia! On their way to discover a beautiful blue waterfall right here in Santa Bárbara do Oeste, Brazil. What do you say? What do you say, Noah?
I say I don't want the other laguna. I like the other one.
We don't go to the lake. We're going to the blue waterfall. That's where you want to go, right?
Uh-huh.
All right. That's where we're going, man. We're gonna see if we can take a vat there, jump into the water, right?
Yeah.
And have some fun.
Yeah.
We're gonna cook, and hopefully it's going to be fine, and you all guys going to like it. All right?
Okay.
Oh, look at the puppy. What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? All right.
The sugar cane.
Yeah. Então, galera, 3 minutos mais. Não, 10 minutos mais, galera. Vamos lá na frente. São 3 quilômetros mais o percurso. I can't let you walk. We have to go ahead. Imagine if we're going to the waterfall and there won't be no water. It will be really sad. It's like, oh my God, someone turn off the pipe of the waterfall. There's no water for here. What's going on? What do you think about that, Noah? Sugar cane use. Segura aqui todo eso. You have to eat it like that. We got some whole right here. What? Well, that is a water coming up from that bush. It's that bush. Yare. So cute as puppy, eh? Hey, bonitinha.
I know. I love that there's
Tava na mata. Que lindo, tá vendo? Ó, você vai lá agora na cachoeira, vai tranquilo. Vai molhar. I saw some people descending over the hill or something like that. So we see if Paula can make it because she's recently operated, you know, on her knee. So let's see what we can do or what she can do because I'm okay. Is that right, huh?
Yeah.
All right. O primeiro cara de aventuras, Leo, aqui
Tudo
presente.
bem? E aí, você? Bom dia. Tudo bem?
Gente,
Bom
não
dia.
esperava você, isso não é grande surpresa. Mais surpresa que a cachoeira, mano.
não esperava achar vocês aqui.
Meu Deus. Mas você que já...
cachoeira azul.
Eu já
A gente
sabia
vai
porque
lá?
você conhecia.
Você vai também?
Eu vou.
Eu sabia que
Caramba,
você
eu não sabia.
Que legal. One, two, 3 logs, just in case, you know. But just in case, I've been in Vietnam, Saigon, you know what I mean, all right, folks? This is just a bridge. Woo-hoo-hoo. Okay, as you can see, you gotta pass this bridge here, all right? Once you pass this bridge, this little crib. Look at this, guys. We gotta go down the hill.
That's too dangerous. I don't want
And yeah, we gotta make some rappel. Wow, this is gonna be adventurous.
Don't
worry about the dog. And you go reverse, turn around. Right, and hold the tree. Hold here, here, two.
I'm okay.
Yeah, come. Step back, let go one tree. Right, don't move me. Hold it. Stand up, great job. No, don't let go the rope, alright? Paula, deja que yo baje y sube, te ayudo a bajar. No, do not let the rope concentrate, okay? Concentrate, don't let it, come on, there you go, buddy. Hold the rope.
Let me concentrate.
Very good. Hold the rope.
I can't.
Hold it up, big boy. You can do this. Hold it up, don't look down. Piece of cake. Piece of cake. I got you. Slow. You good? Wait. This way is better. Hold it up. Island. As you come down here, you can feel the temperature change a lot, you know. What's up, folks? Welcome to my YouTube channel, Enrique Morris Adventure here one more time. Deliver for all of you, you know, shots with drone, underwater camera, and so much more. Guys, I am so excited as usual. It's too much, you know, emotion because I'm here in Brazil right now, Santa Bárbara do Oeste, state of Sao Paulo, Brazil. And all the time I'm being here, I didn't know about this beautiful waterfall. The location is very close and convenience close to the city. I'm gonna leave the details, you know, in the video descriptions. Go there, click it, and go down and see how it is, how to reach here, all the detail, guys. And let's see how this look with the camera. If I can make some good shot for you. That's right, guys. Some grilled barbecue stuff here we're gonna make here in this beautiful waterfall. I hope you enjoy the whole shots, you know, the moment, okay, the good vibe and energy we try to deliver for all of you folks. My name is Enrique Morris. This is my YouTube channel. You're gonna find a lot of adventure, new places, different countries, and every single video you will see a drone shot. All right, folks. So this is an easy place to come and bike, motorbike, car. I'm gonna leave in my video description how to come here with the WikiLove app, also with the app Strava. Okay, guys? So, Noah, what do you gotta say about this blue waterfall, man?
It's green and beautiful.
It's
Look.
green?
Yeah.
Green and blue, eh? Yeah, and what else?
And I'm gonna take a shower with Daddy, but out of water because I'm afraid if they have a shark.
It doesn't matter. You can't be afraid because you are with a crazy daddy. Wow. All right, folks.
Ah.
What I can say, I send you so much love,
Yeah.
big hug, and all the best for all of you guys. All right, until the next time, don't forget to
And
subscribe
Daddy, yeah.
and give me that thumb up and share with everyone the beauty of the nature and the good energy.
And Daddy, want to put down the top of
Yeah.
it? Oh, that's
Ciao, ciao, Noah.
Daddy, Daddy, swim.
Here we go. Ready?